Hi, got another unboxing video, and I think it's the very last of October, and it's the Natural Beauty box. So this is how it arrives, obviously looking a little bit more prettier than what it does. So if you're new to the Natural Beauty box, I will give you a quick lowdown about what it is, but if you have seen my previous unboxing video, or you've seen other videos, or you know a little bit about it and you'd rather not listen to me explaining all about it, then I will add a timestamp down below so that you can fast forward onto me actually showing you the contents inside this box. So I'll add that in the pinned comments down below. All details about this box and any discount codes I can find online, I will seek them out and I will pop them down in my description. So click on the show more and that will bring up the description, and everything related to this box will be down there. So the Natural Beauty box is a cruelty-free beauty subscription box. It's a monthly subscription box and you can cancel any time. The contents are free from nasty chemicals and any skin irritants like parabens, etc. Just natural, clean, green skin loving goodness. So inside the box you get a mix of travel size and full size items, and you get between 5 or 6 items, and you also get a monthly theme. So the cost of this box, is £24.99, and that's free shipping within the UK. This box is also available worldwide, which is amazing, and shipping is calculated when you get to checkout. And for every box sold, 50p gets donated to a charity of the Natural Beauty box's choice, and it gets donated after every quarter. So if you want to find out a little bit about the charities that they choose, then there's information on their website, which I'll also link down below. So I think that's it as far as information is concerned. I was kindly sent this as a free gift in exchange for reviewing on my channel. So I have done this before and I absolutely loved it. So I said yes straight away. And I know a lot of you also appreciated me doing something that was completely cruelty free and something that is available worldwide. So let's get on to open it up. So we've got some leaflets, which I'll talk to you a little about in a minute, and that's how it's packaged. It's a beautiful package, and it says thank you on here and a little sticker. Oh, smells, lots and lots of lovely, like aromatherapy type smells. Oh, there's all hidden things. They're all hidden in there. Oh, smells. Oh, that is gorgeous. I can smell lavender. Okay, there's lots of worms. It's packaged tight. It's like one of those lucky dip sort of things, you know, when you used to play when you were a child. You put your hand in, rummage around and get a treat. So that's what it looks like there. I'll put it down to the side and then I'll grab an item, show you and refer back to these leaflets. So I've got 2 here, and the theme for October's box is Dreamy Days, and it's in collaboration with Rare Beauty, exclusive natural skincare. So on the back of this leaflet, it tells you everything about the products inside this box. Does it give you prices? Yes, it does, which I like. Oh, and it tells you the total cost. Saves me adding it all up. The total cost of this box is £65.95, which is great. And it says here, a collaboration with Rare Beauty Co., an online marketplace founded by Corinne Thomas, showcasing the best in natural skincare, created by amazing female entrepreneurs. So that's that, which I'll refer to as I go along. And this is just like a little promo leaflet, and it's got some information on the back there. Let's get on to our first product. So it's something quite heavy, and it's a, ooh, I like the bottle. What is this? This is Bloom Remedies Natural Organic Serenity Slumber Hand and Body Wash with ylang ylang and geranium, all skin types, handmade in Cornwall, and this is a 100ml spray bottle. Oh, this looks absolutely gorgeous. I love the packaging. Oh, this sounds lovely. I think I'll probably put this in our bathroom for us all to use on our hands when we wash our hands. Oh, it is gorgeous. That is really nice. I know it's a wash. I know it's probably going to foam up on my hands or whatever, but I just wanted to smell it. Geranium and ylang ylang. Yeah, I love the smells. Absolutely gorgeous. I like that. So the information says that, if I can find it, the recommended retail price for this is £7.50 with soothing ylang ylang, geranium, sweet orange and strengthening patchouli and cedarwood essential oils. No, I love that. Absolutely love it. So that's our first item. Second item, a gorgeous lilac colour. Elixir, potent and precious, Australian Kakadu plum, gummy facial cleanser, peel off formula. Wow, 75ml. That sounds quite interesting. So like a mask type cleanser. Massage a small dollop onto dry skin and for about 10 seconds, pressing and lifting to create suction on the skin. Add a little water and continue to massage until the cleanser turns milky, then rinse off with fresh water. That's it, no flannel or muslin cloth needed. Oh wow, that sounds really, really interesting. Whoa, that is totally gummy. Oh my word, I can't get it off. Oh no. There. That is really gummy. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see. Woo! Really tacky. The smell is really nice, really, really nice. Recommended retail price is £24, and it just says its unique gummy texture grips to the skin and lifts off dirt and makeup while stimulating circulation, transforms into a silky milk and rinses off clean with no cloth needed. So that's our second item, and I absolutely love it. I can't wait to try it. Can't wait. It sounds a bit different, a bit unique, isn't it? So the next item is, oh, I love this. I love the little packaging. Haven't seen what it is yet. I thought I'd show you first. Look at that little stop there. What's it? What is it? Geranium and Ylang Ylang Gentle Shampoo. Oh wow. And it's by Freya Luna. And no other information there. Handmade in Wales, where I'm from. Oh, what's it smell like? I absolutely love that bottle. Please don't break. Oh, it's nice. No, really lovely. I'm not going to get the shampoo out of my hand because that'll be ridiculous. But no, absolutely love that. I can't wait to try that. I wonder what it'll be like on my hair. So the information in the booklet says that this is a travel size and the recommended retail price is £4.50 with soothing lemon balm extract, calming chamomile and lavender to heal unhappy scalps. Tip: don't apply shampoo direct to hair ends as this can cause dryness. Massage into scalp and gently squeeze down through hair. Oh, I really, really like that. I just think that bottle is super cute. You've got a soap folk, and it's relaxing and softening lavender and oat milk soap, and it's Soul Association Organic Cosmos Organic, and it's made in Stroud Valleys. So here we go, gorgeous packaging, really lovely. Shall I have a sniff or shall I? No, I'll keep it closed. I am going to use it. I'm going to pop that and this down in my bathroom afterwards. But oh, go on. No, I'll open it up. I want to see what it looks like and what the smell is like. I'm not sure if you'll be able to pick it up in the camera there. Just a nice big thick bar of soap. Oh, that's lovely. So the information in the booklet says that this is a full-size item and the recommended retail price is £5.95, and it says oat milk lends a super creamy quality to the soap as well as helping to soften and moisturise your skin. Its calming qualities are enhanced by lavender essential oil, which is used to relax and ease tension. No, that's gorgeous. I love that. So on to, I think it's our last item. So what's this? Myru oil, post-exercise bath, body and massage oil. Whoa. Use a capful in a warm bath as an all-over body oil or to massage troublesome areas. Myru kindness is at the heart of everything we do. Store in a cool, dry place. Take care. Will make surfaces slippy. Avoid contact with eyes. Oh wow. I love the bottle as well. Really nice. This has actually come in handy because I've just started going back to the gym with my elder son. I look forward to trying this after a gym session next week because it's half term here in Wales at the moment, so the kids are home. But yeah, next week back on the gym and I'll be trying this. So what's it say? So the recommended retail price of this is £24. Post-exercise bath, body and massage oil with Vetiver. It is Vetivert. Vetiver. It is. I've just never heard of that word. So, and marjoram. A gentle but effective blend of sunflower, jojoba and rose hip oils to nourish and replenish dried skin. The wonderful herbal smoky blend of essential oil soothes tired bodies and mind. So those are all the items. So I'll just gather them all up. So we got 5 items in this month's box. And I absolutely love it. I really, really do. I'm really excited to try everything. I love this apothecary style little travel size shampoo. The soap smells gorgeous and I'm going to pop that down in my bathroom after this video. And then yeah, I can't wait to try this oil, this bath soak oil, and this hand lotion as well. It's hand and body, but I'm going to use it for hand, pop in my bathroom, and I'm sure every one of us would love it. And yeah, this unusual gummy type of cleanser. I can't wait to try that. It's something really, really different. So I think the natural Natural Beauty box has smashed it this month. I absolutely love every single item and I can't wait to try it all. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. Do you really like this box? Do you like the contents inside this box? Do you receive this box? I'd love to hear all that. So yeah, I enjoy our discussions. So thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So thanks for watching and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.